Welcome to my YouTube channel, General Mind Today. Our topic is about rewiring your brain. The power of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity, also known as brain plasticity, refers to the brain's ability to change its structure and function in response to learning and experience. This rewiring process allows us to adapt to new situations, acquire new skills, and modify our behavior based on our environment. Our brains have the remarkable ability to reorganize themselves by forming new neural connections throughout life. This process of neuroplasticity enables us to learn new things, recover from injuries, and adapt to changing circumstances. In this video, we will discuss the concept of neuroplasticity, how it works in the brain, and how you can harness it to improve your cognitive abilities, physical health, and overall well-being. So let us dive into the fascinating world of neuroplasticity and explore how you can harness its power to enhance your life. Understanding neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to modify its structure and function in response to experiences, learning, and even injuries. It encompasses two primary mechanisms: synaptic plasticity and structural plasticity. Synaptic plasticity involves the strengthening or weakening of connections between existing neurons, while structural plasticity includes the formation of new synapses, the growth of new neurons, and the death of existing ones. These processes are influenced by various factors such as genetics, environment, and behavior. The brain is composed of billions of neurons that communicate with each other through synapses, tiny gaps between neurons. When a neuron is stimulated, a signal is transmitted across the synapse to the next neuron, which can either pass the signal along or modify it. Over time, the strength of these connections can change based on how frequently they are used. If a synapse is used often, the connection between the neurons becomes stronger. Conversely, if the synapse is inactive, the connection weakens. This process of synaptic plasticity allows the brain to adapt and refine the strength of connections based on usage, ensuring that the most relevant and frequently used pathways are strengthened. Structural plasticity involves more permanent changes in the brain's structure. It includes the growth and division of new neurons, a process known as neurogenesis, the formation of new synapses between neurons, and the elimination of unused synapses through a process called synaptic pruning. Neurogenesis occurs primarily in the hippocampus, a brain region involved in memory and learning. By forming new synapses, neurons can establish new connections and pathways, enhancing the brain's ability to process information. Synaptic pruning, on the other hand, removes unnecessary or weak synapses, making the brain more efficient and allowing for the growth of stronger connections. Harnessing neuroplasticity for personal growth. Now that you have a good grasp of what neuroplasticity is, let's explore practical ways you can harness its power to improve your cognitive abilities and overall well-being. Cognitive abilities. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities such as learning a new language or playing an instrument can help maintain and enhance cognitive abilities. These activities challenge the brain, promoting the formation of new neural connections and strengthening existing ones. By incorporating mentally stimulating activities into your routine, you can support cognitive plasticity and potentially reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Physical exercise. Regular physical exercise has been shown to have a profound impact on neuroplasticity. When you engage in physical activity, your brain releases various neurotransmitters, including endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, which promote the growth and differentiation of new neurons. Exercise also increases blood flow to the brain, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen that support optimal brain function. By incorporating regular exercise into your lifestyle, you can enhance neuroplasticity and reap the benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you focus your attention on the present moment, reducing rumination and worrying about the future or past. This focused attention strengthens the connections in the prefrontal cortex, an area of the brain responsible for executive functions such as decision-making, attention, and social behavior. By regularly engaging in mindfulness and meditation, you can enhance neuroplasticity in this region, potentially improving your concentration and emotional regulation. Social connections. Nurturing strong social connections and relationships is crucial for maintaining cognitive and emotional well-being. Engaging in social activities and building a supportive network can help reduce stress, provide emotional support, and offer opportunities for cognitive stimulation. Social interaction also promotes the release of oxytocin, a hormone that plays a vital role in bonding and reducing stress. By prioritizing social connections and relationships, you can harness the power of neuroplasticity to enhance your overall well-being. Sleep and nutrition. Getting enough sleep and eating a healthy diet are fundamental for supporting neuroplasticity. During sleep, the brain processes and stores memories, making it an essential period for cognitive consolidation and memory formation. Balanced diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins supports optimal brain function and provides the necessary nutrients for neuroplasticity. By prioritizing sleep and nutrition, you can create an environment that promotes neuroplasticity and enhances your cognitive abilities. Overcoming challenges and injuries. Neuroplasticity plays a vital role in the brain's ability to adapt and recover from challenges and injuries. When faced with adversity, the brain can rewire itself to compensate for lost functions and build resilience. For example, after a stroke, the brain can reroute signals around the damaged area, enabling the individual to regain some of their lost abilities. This remarkable adaptability highlights the brain's resilience and capacity for recovery. In the case of addiction, neuroplasticity is also at play. Addictive substances and behaviors can alter the brain's reward pathways, leading to changes in synaptic strength and neurotransmitter levels. These changes reinforce the addictive behavior, making it harder to break free from the cycle of addiction. However, by understanding the neuroplastic nature of addiction, researchers and clinicians can develop effective interventions and therapies to help individuals overcome their addictions and rewire their brains towards healthier behaviors. Promoting neurogenesis. Neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, is a key aspect of neuroplasticity that can be promoted through various means. Engaging in regular physical exercise, as previously mentioned, can stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports the growth and development of new neurons. Additionally, providing enrichment and opportunities for exploration and learning can help promote neurogenesis. By incorporating these strategies, we can create an environment that supports the growth and development of new neurons, potentially enhancing cognitive abilities and overall brain health, enhancing memory and learning. Neuroplasticity is fundamental to our ability to form new memories and learn new information. When we learn something new, our brain forms new connections between neurons, which strengthens the neural pathways involved in that particular skill or knowledge. By understanding the principles of neuroplasticity, we can optimize our learning and memory strategies. Techniques like spaced repetition, active recall, and interleaved practice have been shown to be effective in promoting neuroplastic changes in the brain, leading to improved memory and learning. Boosting creativity. Creativity is a complex cognitive process that involves the brain's ability to generate novel and innovative ideas. Neuroplasticity plays a crucial role in fostering creativity by enabling the brain to make new connections between existing ideas and concepts. By exposing ourselves to new experiences, ideas, and perspectives, we can stimulate neuroplastic changes in the brain, which can lead to increased creativity. Techniques like brainstorming, mind mapping, and free association can help tap into the brain's neuroplasticity to generate creative ideas and solutions. Adapting to stress. Our brains have the remarkable ability to adapt and rewire themselves in response to stress through neuroplasticity. When we experience stress, our brain's stress response system gets activated, leading to changes in the strength and efficiency of neural connections. These changes allow us to cope with the perceived threats and challenges. However, chronic stress can have detrimental effects on our mental and physical health. By practicing stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises, we can help regulate our stress response and promote positive neuroplastic changes in the brain. Promoting brain health. Maintaining good overall health is essential for supporting neuroplasticity and brain health. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins provides the necessary nutrients for optimal brain function. Regular exercise enhances blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that support neuroplasticity. Additionally, getting enough sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and cognitive function. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, we can provide our brains with the best possible environment to support neuroplasticity and maintain good brain health. Conclusion. Neuroplasticity is a remarkable phenomenon that allows our brains to change and adapt throughout our lives. By understanding the principles of neuroplasticity, we can harness its power to improve our cognitive abilities, physical health, and overall well-being. Whether it's engaging in mentally stimulating activities, practicing mindfulness, maintaining social connections, or adopting a healthy lifestyle, there are numerous ways to support neuroplasticity and promote brain health. As we continue to learn more about neuroplasticity, we uncover new possibilities for enhancing our lives and overcoming challenges. Embrace the power of neuroplasticity and empower yourself to live a better life. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.